welcome to the next section of my course on Power BI. Here we will look at how to visualize deviation and change versus average. And in particular, we will look at how performance of individual shops compare to each other and compare to companies' overall performance. We will start with looking at requirements and figuring out which metrics will help us answering this question. So the high-level problem we're trying to tackle this time is how we can measure and compare shop performance with performance of company overall or the performance of entire company. This is actually a tricky question that it sounds at the first time. We already have a lot of charts that focus on sales, but they are weak measures of efficiency of shops. Besides, how we can compare shop sales and overall company sales? A better approach would be to focus on profit, and even better approach would be to measure profit margin, which is the ratio of operational profit to sales. The latter will actually allow us to see which shop was underperforming and by what margin.